What is up, family? We have another Patreon request. That's my man Louie Funes, the legend, the greatest comedy personnel ever, probably. Any international language will laugh at him. You know why? Because you don't even have to like listen to him. You don't even have to understand him. You just gotta look at his face, and you're gonna laugh automatically. This is why he's the greatest. So anyway, La Grande Vadrouille. Yeah, I know some of you said I should watch that movie, but le temps. La Grande Vadrouille. Scène des ronflements de l'officière allemande. Ronfler means so snoring. So it's a scene in this movie of him with a snoring German officer. Voilà. Vous êtes prêts? Oh yeah, you're gonna laugh. Oh yeah.
Ah! Merci avoir gardé collation pour mon officier. Petit menteur.
Petit menteur. Little liar. Ah, et voilà. Oh. This is gonna be good. The whistling works. Je vais essayer ça avec ma femme. Shh. Don't say nothing to her. Okay.
Am I way, Assam?
He's like Okay, I mean, I told you, he didn't even say a word. Not one word in all this entire scene. He didn't say one single word, and he's hilarious. He's hilarious. The legend, Funes. Take care. Peace out. A la prochaine.